Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain one of the important AutoCAD system variable which is called PICKADD. This PICKADD system variable in AutoCAD controls whether you can select multiple objects at once or only one at a time. And it has three different values 0, 1, 2. Let me start with 0, the use of 0 and how it controls the selection. Okay, let us set 0 value to PICKADD. So I am typing PICKADD and entering 0. Already it is 0. Okay, now let us see the difference. Say I would like to select few entities. So I am selecting these two circles first. Now I would like to add two more circles like this. So if you can see, first when I select these two circles, they are selected. Again, when I am trying to add two more circles to the selection, the first two are being left. You can do the same with the single selection also. When you select the first one, it will be selected, but if you select the second one, the first will be left. This means like when you are selecting, the first selection remains the latest one and the previous selection will be left. So that is the effect of PICKADD with 0 value. Let us try PICKADD with 1 value. PICKADD, and I am giving 1 at this time. Now let us see what is the difference. So I am selecting these objects, again selecting another set of objects. So the selection set is allowing us to add any number of selections. So this is the effect of PICKADD value 1. Generally we use this one. But there is another value also, 2 also. Let us see what is the difference. When we use select command, use select and try to select like this and press enter. Once you finish your select command, the selection will go. Means like the selected objects will be left in the previous selection. Now if I want to move those objects, take move command, and if you give previous, the previously selected objects will come. The same thing when you set PICKADD to 2. PICKADD and set its value to 2. Now if you use select command and select few objects like this and press enter, so they will be kept in the current selection so that you can use any command further and use that selection, but that is not available with the value 1 in PICKADD system variable. So when we give 0 value to PICKADD system variable, that will turn off the ability to add multiple items. Selecting a new object deselects the previous one. But when we give value 1 to PICKADD, it enables multi-selection. Each clicked or selected object will be added to current selection set. When we assign value 2 to PICKADD, it is very similar to 1 only, but it retains the selection set memory even after the current command operation. Means like you can use in further command also, as I shown you using select command. Friends, hope you understood different values we can assign to PICKADD AutoCAD system variable and their effect when we are working with AutoCAD drawing entities. Okay, now let us see another important AutoCAD system variable, which is PICKFIRST. In general, sometimes we used to select objects first and then we issue the command so that it will work as we wish. But there is one variable which is called PICKFIRST, PICKFIRST. If this is somehow switched off, means set to 0, then if you try to select objects and issue the command later, that won't work because the selection will go and it will ask you again to select objects like this, because we have set PICKFIRST variable to 0. Let me show you once again. So I am selecting objects and issuing move command. See, it is asking again to select objects. But if you set it back PICKFIRST to 1, then you can select objects first and move later. So make sure that PICKFIRST variable value is set to 1. Otherwise, you cannot select objects first and issue command later. So the default value for PICKADD will be either 1 or 2, and PICKFIRST default value will be 1. Hope you understood the importance of these two AutoCAD system variables. Sometimes we may forget PICKFIRST variable name. In such cases, you can go to options and go to selections tab over here, and then you can check this checkbox on. This noun and verbal selection is nothing but PICKFIRST system variable value setting only. So if you forget the name of the PICKFIRST variable, you can switch on this over here and say OK, so that PICKFIRST variable will be switched on. Friends, hope you understood the importance of these two AutoCAD system variables, PICKADD and PICKFIRST, which are very important for selecting objects. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.